Myntri Rangbah Khubor kontrat ke Samla Janmiet jong kasngi baar ula Plie ya kamadan artificial turf ka basketball court bad ya ka mushroom cultivation project Shillong Nongkseh apa Shillong harangkat ka jing donlang Myntri ka tenat sports and youth affairs uba shakliar warjri hakani ka jing Plie ya kini ki project laya donlang UMLA ka melim ba RV lengdo UMLA barim ka melim ba Hamlet Sondoling ubalong ru uno aibut jong Myntri Rangbah Khubor kumju Chief Secretary Khubor uba DP Walang. Nang tala dan lang ka Deputy Commissioner kong RM Kurba, USP ke East Khasi Hills ba Vivek Sim, ki he officer sorkar, kinongelam Shillong Nongkseh, kinongelam bat kinongelekai jong ka Nongkseh Sports and Cultural Club bat kiwe. Haba ajing keren haka jingelang u kontrat ke sangma ulaong ba udap da kajing sngohun ban yoi ya ka kabala le haka Shillong Nongkseh namar kaladon kajing kala ka bashisha. But what kinong shong ru kin menjur lang ya kani ka jing sakhi ya ki kam ka ba lale ha kani ka shnong ha ka baya day bat ka mushroom mission u konrad ulaong ba kani ka de ka project ka ban wanra ya ka jing kala da ka baya trelang bat ka ri Japan nadu ka jing pendan kam mi ki tiar kitar ki ba pher bad ya utet u ba penmi anom de tang hapo ka jela ne hapo ka ri ndrei andiru haki yo ki badan hak leng kiri.
Apologize to all of you for having come here almost more than 2 hours after the scheduled program. And I can very confidently tell you, and I'm sure our Chief Secretary will vouch for it, that there are not many programs which I'm late to. Especially in the last 7 years as Chief Minister, I always try to be on time because I always believe that time is the greatest resource that we have because it never comes back. And therefore, it's with great sincere apologies to all of you, and I'm very sure you will accept it. And I'm thankful to all of you for having waited for me for such a long time. I had multiple programs in Myram constituency. I have not been there for quite some time. And the local MLA as well as the people were very keen that I visited all the different programs that we had. And whether it was the new block office we inaugurated, whether it was that we have started. The mushroom mission is something that is going to be a transformational project, I tell you, in the days to come. We are working with Japan in terms of the technology that we're bringing in. And today, the kind of technology that we have, just to share with you, it is the one of the kind in the entire country. No other state has the level of technology for mushroom cultivation and for mushroom production the way we have. We have imported these machines straight from Japan. We are using technology and productivity and quality measures which are used in Japan. And the products that are going to be brought out of this are going to be sent locally, all over the country, and even Japan and other countries and nations will take this. It's going to be a major game changer for our people and a huge source of livelihood. And I hope that we'll be able to take this forward, not just growing mushrooms, but then processing it, packaging it, and being able to send it throughout the rest of the world. Just last week, we were with Honorable MLA. We had gone to Meghalaya village. And in Meghalaya village, you'll be amazed to see. We travel that road every day, but you don't see what's happening inside that village. But it is becoming one of the major production hubs for high variety flowers today. We went and we saw some of the, the nurseries. We have a budget of close to 25 crores for any youth club. You will get up to 2 lakh rupees, minimum 1 lakh, up to 2 lakh rupees to do any program that you want. You want sports materials you want to buy, you want to have a football tournament, you want to have environment cleanliness program, Meghalaya government through Yes Meghalaya, through the sports department will help you organize this. And today, most organizations are not applying for it. So I think we are discussing with Minister, we need to go for a much larger reach out program. But I'm using this opportunity to ask our youth clubs, please apply for Yes Meghalaya schemes. This is all online. You just have to register, apply for it, and you will get the money for it. Under CM Elevate, I'm promoting youths. I'm promoting entrepreneurs. Please take advantage of that. Talk to our local leaders out here, whether it is Baroni, whether it is Hamlet, whether it is Daniel, or any of our local leaders who are here, on how you can move forward in CM Elevate. Just recently, I inaugurated one swimming pool in, it's called